Earth Day is coming upon us, and we have put together some fun and engaging Techtivities here at APS EdTech. My Techtivity is an already created Pear deck that you can use for Earth Day. To use this activity, make your own copy of the link. This will open up the interactive Pear deck. All of the slides are already created, some for younger students, moving on to middle school age students. All you have to do to start the Pear deck is to go to the add-on and select Open Pear deck, and then just start the lesson. Students in the class need to use their devices and go to Join PD, add in the 6-digit code. Within the student Pear deck, students can draw on slides, and interactive videos are built within the Pear deck itself, as well as a variety of other interactive activities. And once you have your own copy of the slide deck, you can add or take out or edit any of the slides to your liking.
Happy Earth Day! It's Karn with EdTech. Earth Day is a great day to talk to your students about their carbon footprint. Carbon footprints have a huge impact on global warming. Did you know that the average American produces 16 tons of carbon per year as compared to the 2 tons of carbon per year as a global average? Use this website to have your students test their carbon footprint. If you click the link provided in the lesson plan, you will find the International Student Carbon Footprint Challenge presented by the Washington Department of Education. Before starting, I would recommend that you scroll down on this page and print out copies of the calculator prep worksheet for your students. This will make using the website easier. There's also a class assignment which will allow you to work with your students and reflect on what they have discovered. Once you have those ready, you will choose one of the 2 calculators. Click on it here. Then you are going to click Explore. Have students enter their first initial and their last initial, and then they will choose United States for the country and New Mexico for the state. Then students can choose whether they want to use the advanced calculator or the basic calculator. Notice the age-appropriate levels here. I'm going to choose the basic calculator and click Explore. Students will click on the forward arrow to begin using the calculator. Students can then begin answering these questions. Have students follow this all the way through until they get to the end results. Once students have completed the calculator, they will get their final results here. So here you can see I use 14,880 kilograms of CO2 per year as compared to the 27,407 kilograms of carbon dioxide produced per year in New Mexico. Some things to note is that this is all done in metrics, but there are calculators to convert to imperial units. Students can then have this emailed to them if they choose to do so. Hope your students find this interesting and that you learn a little something to help protect our planet.
I'm Kristen Garlitz, and this is how to use Google Drawings to create an endangered species poster. Students can use Google Drawings to create really nice, colorful, and easy posters about endangered species. For example, I created this poster about the Socorro spring snail. You can include titles and change the fonts. You can include pictures. You can change the background. You can add text boxes and use bullet points or numbering to add information to your poster. And you can import as many pictures as you need to and even change the angle and location of images. There is a template with directions on the side here and an example poster ready to go so that students can replace the pieces of the poster, and a link to a website that gives you a list of all of the species known to be endangered in New Mexico.
Happy Earth Day! Enjoy creating stop motion videos. So we're creating a stop motion video with your students. I've included a slide deck so you can see how easy it is to do that. First step, create your scene. So here you see my slide with my scene is just a plain blue background. Then you'll create another slide and you'll add a little bit or make a small change for each slide, as you can see here. You'll keep making small changes until you've reached your completed project. Once you've created your completed project, you're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. You're going to copy the link. You're going to change this setting to every second, and then you're going to start slideshow as soon as the player loads. Paste your Publish to the Web link in your Omnibox. Don't click Enter when pasting the link. Next, open Screencastify. Record your browser tab, then hit Record. Let your slides play until the end. Now you can edit and enjoy your stop motion video.
Hi, Seth with EdTech. I have an activity for you to do some science journals using Keynote on iPads. Let's go get started. I know a lot of teachers right now for spring and for Earth Day are studying life cycles, butterflies, frogs, plants. Let's go into Keynote and I'll show you how you can use Keynote to do a life cycle journal. Once you're in Keynote, we're going to come up here to the plus button on the top and then choose a theme. That's just the colors and stuff. It doesn't really matter. You can let your students choose white or black. Now we're going to double tap 2 touches right here. That should pop up. Then we can come down here to author, double tap, and students can add their name. Now we need another slide to do their first drawing of the first stage of the life cycle. I'm going to do a caterpillar. Come down here to the bottom, click the plus, scroll up, and click on blank right there. Now to do the drawing, we're going to come up to the top plus again, plus drawing right there. Changing color, I need to come over here to the rainbow, make sure I have a drawing tool selected, come to the rainbow, and I'm going to choose a brown to draw my caterpillar with. Now for a caterpillar I need something like, there we go, there's a caterpillar. Now you can also do this like a sketch note. There we go. I know my handwriting's terrible. I apologize. Come over here down here to the plus, blank, and add the next cycle of the life cycle.
Hey, today I have digital task cards for you to share with your students. Let's take a look. The Earth Day task cards are digital and include 20 task cards. You can share this with your entire class at one time and have them solve on the printable page. Or you can assign this document to each student where they have their own copy and can work independently using a timer. After sharing the template link with students, it will take them to their Canva account. They will press Present in the top right, and then click 1, 2, or 3 to get the corresponding timer. Once their timer starts, students will click through and solve the task cards using your printed sheet. Challenge your students to see how many task cards they can complete before their timer runs out.
This is Marissa, and today I'm going to show you how to create a table in Docs and re-lyric a song for Earth Day. First, choose a song that you know well. Then you're going to choose your theme, which today is Earth Day, and then you're going to follow these steps to create a great cover of your song. I stole this from my former students, but they did the bare necessities. So when you go to create your own lyrics, you just replace the old lyrics with yours. So they replaced the bare necessities with the fear of climate change. To add a chart to your doc, add another page, go to Insert, Table, select the number of columns and rows you want, and it appears. When you're ready to take the lines out, highlight the table, go to Format, click Table, Table Properties, and then you're going to go to the Color menu item, and under Table Border, you're going to change the black to white, and then all your lines disappear, and it looks professional. You can sing all of these lyrics along to the original tune by going to the karaoke version of your song. Have fun and happy Earth Day from APS EdTech.
This next Techtivity will take you on virtual field trips to all of these awesome places around our Earth. The green boxes take you right into each of these locations. This yellow box down here will allow you to learn some things about Earth's ecosystems. And the red circles will give you some games that you can assign to your students or play as a full class. Enjoy!
We hope you have found an idea that you can use in your classroom for Earth Day. All of the lessons and links are added in the description below, as well as a Wakelet. Happy Earth Day from APS EdTech.